Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel for another art journaling tutorial. Today I am creating a spread in my 6x6 watercolor journal, and I'm playing with the Neocolor crayons. And as you see here, I'm just scribbling the colors onto the page. I haven't added any gesso to it. Neocolors are my favorites. They are similar to the scribble sticks, and you can also compare them with the Gelatos or other art crayons. They are just not as creamy as those, but they are very highly pigmented, and I think they have the best quality. And whenever someone asks me what to buy when you want to start with mixed media, I recommend getting some gesso and getting the crayons, and then you are ready to go. Here you see me adding gesso with a brush to the page, and I think it would have been better if I would have started just with the warm colors and then dry that layer and then use the cold ones. And here now I have to take a little bit care not to mix the blue too much into the yellow and pink, because I don't want to create mud. I recently did a similar background. I just used gel medium to blend the crayon, and that gives you a more brighter look in comparison to the gesso. Because of the gesso is white and opaque, you get more muted colors and they get a pastel look. I have linked that video where I did the other background in the top right corner info box of your video screen. I'm smearing the leftover paint from my brush to a piece of scrap paper, so I can use that later in other projects for collaging or as a background. I dried the page with my heat tool, and then I go in with some background stamping. I'm using the Rubber Dance Sweet Love stamp set, and here I believe it's the olive green Archival ink. I will switch to a black ink when I use the other branches, just to get some variety. I'm adding a ground to my page with a black crayon, and I just blend it in with water because I want to use a bird as my focal point, and he needs something to sit on. And I will also go in with the Neocolors again, because I am a fan of bright colors and I prefer not the muted look with the gesso. I think next time I will use the gel medium again to get some more brighter colors. And here you see me scribbling in more of the crayon, and I blend it just with water, and it adds more intensity to the colors. By blending the crayons on top of that background with the water and the brush, gives you another look on the page, and it creates another layer which adds more dimension to the page. If you like my videos and want to see more of them, I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel and maybe leave a nice comment and give me a thumbs up. I wanted to have some more blue on the sky, and before I add that in, I heat set everything so my colors don't mix immediately to a green. And when you go on top again, you just have to be a little bit careful not to go over it too much with the brush, to not reactivate the yellow color underneath. If you know my videos already, you know that I love to add splatters to my pages, and here I just scribbled the crayon to my glass plate and dilute it with water and sprinkle it all over my page. Now I'm going in and add my main image. It's one of the textured birds. I have stamped this to Bristol paper and colored it in with watercolors. I really love the look you get. And you see I've cut off the feet of the bird, and here I'm adding them in again with a fine liner. I'm also adding a sentiment that I built with the words from our Mixer Sentiment stamp sets. I have embossed them in white to black cardstock, and this little moon is from our Day and Night stamp set, and I think it's very nice when the bird looks up to the moon. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you see us next time. Bye!